Alright, so in this video, we will discuss top 5 tools that can make you crypto pro. And all these 5 tools I personally use and they have changed my life as a crypto investor a lot. So let's directly jump in to the top tools that can make your life as a crypto investment better. So number 1 tool is Coinstats. So this is a platform where I can manage my all the wallets at one place. So like as you can see, my wallet tahirahmad.eth is here, and I can connect as many as wallets over here just by clicking the connect portfolio and by choosing all the platforms. So they have 300 plus platform support, and you can directly paste your address and all the balances, all the transaction history, all the DeFi staking history will come into one dashboard. This is amazing. As you can see, I have Ethereum and the total value, which is the most value I have in Polka Bridge, and this is the profit, all-time profit. This is my average buy, this is my average buy, this is current buy price, this is current price. So everything sorted at one place. What they are offering, let me show you a few more things. So these are my holdings, which is called as assets. This is chart, it's like how portfolio is growing, and this is allocation of the tokens, and now all the NFTs, and then DeFi. So I have some staking into mode, so mode staking, Zerion staking, and API 3 staking, and all the recent transactions here at one place. Don't you think it is amazing? Few analytics also. 1 2 3 4 5 4 analytics are actually hidden just because of the premium. So this is a very base level display here. So if you want to upgrade, you can make it premium, but this, and what is into the base level, we have the 29% PBR. So coin allocation in a very good way, tokens balances, and this is ecosystem wise allocation, like Ethereum, base, layer 1, and then allocation. So this is quite wonderful. Like you just connect all the wallets and you can analyze your complete investment and portfolio at one place. So this is good. So if I go to fetch.ai and I can see the current price and this, so ultimate thing is you don't need to jump on other places, coin market cap for the price and another place for the portfolio, MetaMask for other thing. So everything at one place, the website, the categories, who have invested, DWF labs, everything curated wonderfully at one place. All right, so second tool which I personally use it, this is again a same kind of platform where you connect all your wallets at one place. So this is called as Zerion. So Zerion is a platform where you just connect your wallet and you can see each and everything. Why I personally use it, but for the some feature, I like Coinstats, but few features I like it here is, if you go and if you see, all right, so this is my performance of the portfolio, and if this is the asset, so UI is better, I guess, of the Zerion. So this is assets, this is stakings, and what interesting here is, if I click on the FET fetch, and if I zoom in more, so what I can see here is I bought the FET at this level and I sold a few at this level. So this is interesting. This makes me a clear visualization about the portfolio, about the token, whether I am in profit or not. So this is showing me my average cost. So this is good here, and this is current equity, and this is 24-hour return, and this is the fees that I've paid into acquiring this token. So Zerion is the second. This is quite similar to Coinstats, but with better UI UX. So third tool which I personally use, especially the Banter Bubbles. Why I use this? So whenever I have to decide which token is popping, which token is growing faster in a specific time frame. So let me show you how it works. So suppose I want to trade into the top 100 and into the week or today, which token is growing a lot. So as you can see, the green bubble, Jupiter is growing, which is 10% up today only. VIF 6% up, ENS 9%, DOT 9%, SOL 9%, BONK 8%. And which token is red maximum, which is FET, around 13% down, not 3% down, AVEX 8% up. So this can give you a complete visualization of the market, okay, what's happening into the market today. So if I have to see into the AI sector, which token is growing today? So GLQ 21% up, Pond 7%, Ocean 11% down, GPU 6% up, Track 8%, AIOZ 6%. So as you can see, the whole crypto ecosystem in one frame. So this is good. Let me show you one another thing here is, so suppose I just wanted to know narrative, where it is narrative view all right. So today, which narrative pumped a lot? As we can see clearly is meme section, 3.4%. In the week, we can see almost all are down except meme. In a month, all are down. And who is the maximum down, which is NFT market, RWA, L2. And in a year, meme 236% up. So overall meme market, overall meme tokens are growing this year 236%, AI 201%. So you can visualize here like which sector is performing well. As now we can derive AI, meme, RWA, deepin, storage are working insane into this market. So now once you have this clarity, you can actually decide which token you have to choose for the investment. So suppose AI I have chosen. Now I can see in a whole year which token grown a lot. This token, NOS, PAL. And if I see in a month, almost everything is down today. So in the AI sector today, which token? GLQ, Track, Spec, NOS, GPU. And which is the maximum down? I think Ocean, FET. So this can give you a clear visual appearance of the market. And this is really good when you are finalizing your decisions for the investment. Fourth tool, which I use a lot before taking any investment decision, that is token unlocks. So this is a platform which gives you all the details of the token which is coming to the market. So like all the tokens are not in the market. So this can give you a clear visualization about the token release schedule. So suppose we have to choose about the Ondo. So Ondo is a leading RWA token. Let's click on this. This is into my watch list actually. As you can see, upcoming event. So 14% token is only circulating and 86% tokens are logged and they can be released anytime. So we have to see whether they are coming tomorrow and what is exactly the release schedule for that. So the upcoming event for the Ondo is 204 days ahead. That means it's very long way. That means in a very near future, we don't have any tokens coming to the market to make the sell pressure. And if you go down, you can see the whole graphical thing about the release. So we are sitting here, which is around, what is the date? 24th of June. And let's move forward. So basically, till the 15th Jan, we have the same supply 14.5%. That means the no tokens are coming into the market. So, and this gave me a clear visualization about the market. And now we can take our decision whether we have to invest in the Ondo or not. Yeah, if the token is good and sell pressure is very less, no more tokens are coming into the market for the next 4 to 5 to 6 months. That means it's a good bet to put in the money into the market, because this can give us lots of more returns if everything goes right. So this is the fourth tool and most used tool from my end, because I love this token unlocks tool. All right. So fifth tool, which I personally use, is Dex Screener. So this tool is a complete application in itself, what it has. So let's go to the home page. So this is the Dex Screener, where we can scan almost all the tokens available into the market. So right now, as you can see, the tokens which are trending into the last 24 hours, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour, 24 hour. So we can see any token which is moving. So as meme tokens mania is running, and every second new token is coming up, to make the decision in which token I have to invest, so we have to keep our eyes on the new tokens which are actually good. So how to find good tokens? So Dex Screener is one of the best platform that can help you. So as you can see, my watch list, I can add any token to my watch list. So suppose I want to check new tokens on the Solana ecosystem. So these are all the tokens listed based on the blockchain or ecosystem. So let's choose for the Solana now, and these are the all the DEX, Radium, Orca. So now as you can see, in 24 hours, which token is trending? Something called Bobby, water. All right, so let's see about the water only. So water is a project from the beer. Yeah, so the price is total transaction 26,000, volume 39 million, 8,000 makers, so 8,000 total buy trades, and in a 5 minutes it's going down. So in a whole 24 hours it is going down by 12%, and liquidity is this, and this is the market cap of this project. Let's click on the water now. So this is the chart. Let's make it to 1 hour, and you can see this is going up and then flat. What important here is, so this is on the Solana, on the Radium exchange. So this is price, this is the liquidity which is into the market for this token water. This is full diluted value and the current market cap. So almost 100% tokens are running into the market. We can watch list it for future if we want to see later. So main watch list, we can trade here, and we can see Twitter. So what's happening on the Twitter? 183k followers. This is good. I think this is a good token, maybe. So this is Dex Screener, and there are lots of features are here apart from this graph, this all the details here. We can find top holders here. So in the top holders, as you can see, somebody bought of 2 million and sold at 5 million. Insane 2.9 millions of profit. And now he bought around 612 million and now zero. So he don't have anything. He sold all the water tokens now. What we can do is we can go to the Solana Explorer. He has this much tokens. All the memes are here. We can do is we can go to this transactions. We can go to maker and we can filter it. So we can see all the transaction how he did. You can see he bought 3 days back of 2.16 million, and he was selling continuously. So he was very early into this project. So what we can learn from this is, if this guy has this much alpha and he bought at very low level, at very early of 2 million, can you believe what if he bought at the next time about the another token? And then you can put alert for this. If this guy do this, then you also jump into that trade so that you can make insane money. So Dex Screener is one of the wonderful tool that you can actually use it if you are doing meme trading or any kind of short trading, not long trading, basically for 1 day trade, 6 hours trade. So Dex Screener is one of the tool that you can actually choose it for the trading. So these are 5 tools. Actually, Dex Screener is a complete tool. I have to create a separate video for the Dex Screener. I will do it, sure. So that's all about the top 5 tools that can make you a crypto pro. So let me know into the comment section, which tool do you personally like and do you think is the most useful tool that you think. So let me know into the comment section. And if you're watching this video for the first time, make sure to subscribe my channel so that you can get all the notifications, all the new video releases for you. Alright, so see you into the next video. Thank you.